you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new room. So nandito kami ngayon sa city. Yung last room ko na nakita niyo sa previous vlogs ko, that was my room. That's my room in the Bukid, sa probinsya namin. And I'm so sorry if maingay kasi I need this. Ang init kaya. So yeah, this is my room in the city. It's super dirty. Kasi mga ilang years na rin hindi na linisan. And this used to be our helper's room. And now it's mine. So I am going to repaint it. So yeah. Let's do it. So the first step and the first day of my painting shenanigans, I did the prepping or the preparation before the actual painting.
What I did was, tinry kong scrub yung mga dumi sa wall. So, inilabas ko lahat ng gamit sa room. Siyempre, labas natin baka kasi mapinturahan. Next, I covered the floor with papers na hindi ko na nagagamit para kung tumulo yung paint ay hindi directly sa floor mapupunta. And then, I also used masking tape to cover the parts in my room na ayaw ko mapinturahan gaya ng doors and windows na mga gilid nila. Kaso, naubos yung isang masking tape ko, kaya yun, malas.
And then, for the second day or the second step, I did the first coating.
So, for the primer or the first coating, I used the Acrytex primer. Mas mahal siya compared sa other paint, and that is because it's long-lasting, waterproof, weatherproof. Anyways, it's all-purpose, and that is exactly what I need. Because kung napapansin niyo before, may mga dumi sa ceiling, dahil yun sa tagos ng ulan. In short, nalileak yung kaunting tubig from outside. So, by the use of this paint, mawawala or malalason yung leaks from outside. And I tried to second coat it directly, but it's a no-no. Lol. You have to wait for at least 2 to 4 hours for the first coat to dry. So yun, I painted all sides of my room with its first coat. Nabutan ako ng madaling araw kasi may org meetings pa ako in between that day. Naubos na rin yung paint ko. As you can see, first coating is not that perfect. For better look, you need talaga to do the second coating.
Hi everyone, so I am done with the first coating and I use this Acrytex primer from Boysen. And for the second coating, I'm gonna use this semi-gloss Enamel from Boysen also. And yeah, let's do it! Oh, looks good. Oh, let's mix and mix and... So I made a mistake and I forgot to soak this one on the water yesterday to make this somehow, soft. And now it's completely dry and unusable, and because I don't have a cleaner to make this soft and to wash the paint off, I just bought a paint roller again. And also, for better absorption down ng paint roller is you have to at least wet it slightly. It's wet. Yeah. So I'm done with this one. Second coat and this one. This is the first coat. I'm so tired. so I just washed my hands. Look. Ang pula. And yes, wash na to. Hindi na to. Anyways, malapit na akong matapos. Dito na lang na side for second coating. And done here. Done here. Done, 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 done. Dun, 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 dun. And then, I'm done. For the ulit. Hello! So, I washed my hands again. And it's rather than ever. Yun, tapos na ako mag-paint for the second coat. Also, the last step too. And glossy. It's 11 p.m. For day 3, I am done at 11 p.m. And so, for the last day and the third day, oh my god, hindi pa siya natanggal kasi nga, di ba wala akong thinner, ano ba yun, basta yun. So, for the third day, ang ginawa ko ay second coating. And second coating is really important kasi kung first coating lang, parang kulang. Alam mo yun, kahit parang nag-effort ka, tapos kulang. So, kailangan mo lubos-lubosin. Hindi ko in-expect na mauubos ko yung first latex ko for the first coating lang. So, I had to buy another paint. I had 4 liters of paint again. So, yung semi-gloss na naman yung binili ko para nice. I'm gonna tell you what's the challenges in my painting is that number 1, it is so hard without the stick, like the stick to connect with the paint roller so that you can just directly pack. But now I don't have that one. I don't have that tool. I don't. So I have to use the ladder. Although I have to use the ladder for the ceiling, but then yeah, I have to use this ladder for every pack because I can't reach that part. And it was time consuming. And also, the second challenge is that the weather is too hot. My room is literally like hell. It's not like I've got into hell, but it's so hot and it caused me to get sick, and that's why my voice is like this because I have a sore throat. I swear it's not coffee. And yeah, so in the third challenge, which is like the hardest for me, is that every time I paint, and I mean it's not every time, but this room, it just reeks of paint, and the paint smell is so strong. Even though I wear a mask, it just seeps right into my nostril, even though I also have like a runny nose sometimes. My god. And also, I will list down below in the description box all the things that I've used and their price also, so you can just go there and prepare money if you want to paint your room, because you might get short like me. That's it for my vlog this week, and see you next week. And I hope you like this vlog because I really like this vlog, painting, and I know it's not perfect, like it's not perfect, but I really like it because it's one of the things that's in my bucket list, painting my own room. And I kind of feel fulfilled, yay, even though I'm still sick right now. Anyway, so yeah, if you like this video, I hope you do, please subscribe, comment, and like, and see you in my next vlog. I will upload every Friday from now on. I promise. I promise to who? I promise to you. Bye. See you in the next vlog.